How to insert page number in Word from specific page. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the perfect way. Sometimes we require the page number from page number 2 or 3. So let's start with the video, guys. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Microsoft Word, and you can see I have few pages here. So I will show you. In order to insert the page number from specific page, we need to select that page. Just let me zoom out to show you. Okay, so here you can see we have 5 page here. So if you want to start the from page number from page number 3, then just click on the starting of this page number. Okay, just keep the cursor on starting of this page. Now we need to go in layout, go to the breaks. Under the breaks we need to go in section breaks. Under the section break we need to click on this next page. Okay, this action will insert the section break on this page. Okay, now we need to go in insert, and under the page number we need to select that page, top of the page, and here you can see the style of the page numbering. So just select the any page numbering style. So I just select this one. So you can see all page number has been inserted here, and now we need to go on this option. We need to unlink this previous. Just click on it, it will all will be unlinked. Now again go to the insert, go to the page number, go to the page format, click on start and start from A1. Okay, then you can see from page number 3 the numbers start from 1. This is page number 1, this is 2 and 3, and first 2 page number you can delete manually. Just select the page number and delete. Okay, so both page number has been deleted. Now I will show you. Let me zoom in. So this is page number 1. Sorry, this is page number 1. This is page number 1. This is 2 and this is 3, and the page numbering start from page number 3, you can see. Okay, if you want to disable footer and header, just hit the escape, then it will be disabled. Now you can see the normal view. This page number 2, 3. Okay, so that is how we can insert the page number in Word from this specific page. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.